So behind this, there is one story. So the current working organization, Public Affairs Center, was founded by Dr. Shamil Paul, who was ex-IIM director Ahmedabad. So after his resignation, so he went to USA and he settled down there for 5 years there. So from there he came back to Bangalore and he wanted to start construction in his household. So then there he got a problem. So he applied for this video placement connection, applied for West Ministry connection. Then he faced real problems. So nobody is cooperating, everybody asking bribe, and everybody is getting to you go there, you will get, you have to bring some other copies. Then he thought he tried to compare with US standards with India. So why this is happening in India compared to USA? And you want to check with the why this government versus private sector service delivery. Why if you go any private banks or any other private related aspects, their service delivery is very prompt and very immediate responses. The same time government is why is not able to get those services. So then he thought that, so can we do one simple study, how about people are thinking government services in Bangalore. So in 1993, he started, first he did one citizen report card survey, taking 5 major services in Bangalore. And after this finishing this survey, we came to know that people are almost 80 to 90% they are dissatisfied with the service provided by the government. So then this, what he did, he has not left it there. So this findings he want to bring to the public. So he released one press release. There he identified and he compared with the different services, which among the most services, which service is giving better than the selected 5 services. So BDA is the one which got more least scores. So then there was a dialogue between the BDA officials and some other people. How can you make this survey? This is not technically correct. So we proved that this is the way we did sampling and this is the process we have done the survey and this is the way we analyze the thing. So then people ready to accept our findings. And after this immediately, director of this BDA, so he himself came forward and he took that initiative that, so okay, leave it, I am ready to accept what are the findings. So now you tell me, what can I do for better service in coming future? So again we did the one exclusive study for the BDA and we did the survey and we identified that these are the gaps where BDA is not able to give their service delivery to the public. So they rectified and in after 2004 again we did the second citizen report. There their score or their ranking come much better than the previous one. So as citizens, you all should be part of the system and you have to do the monitoring what are happening to around you and you have to get the good responses what you have to get from the service agencies.